5 seconds. Start. Judgement. The present suit is filed seeking for the decree of declaration that the right relinquishment deed dated 6/8/2008 in favor of defendant number 1 is not binding on the plaintiffs, and consequently the registered gift deed dated 27/1/2021 is also not binding on the plaintiffs. As a consequential relief, the plaintiffs have sought for a decree restraining defendants from alienating suit properties in favor of any person in any manner, and also restraining them interfering in the plaintiff's possession and enjoyment of the suit properties. The suit of the properties, that is property bearing CTS number 1618/B and 1623/B of Navalgunda town, has been succeeded by all the plaintiffs after the demise of the husband of the plaintiff number 1 and father of the plaintiffs number 2 to 5 by name Virupakshapaya. The defendant number 1 is the younger brother of said Virupakshapaya, whereas defendants number 2 to 4 are sons of defendant number 1. The suit properties inter alia were bequeathed through will deed 16/2/1973 executed by Channabasaya Kerimat in favor of defendant number 1 and Virupakshaya. The said Channabasaya was the grandfather of Virupakshappa and the defendant number 1. After the said properties was bequeathed, there was a oral partition between Virupakshapaya and the defendant number 1 and another brother by name Guru Lingaya in the year 1993. In the said partition, the suit properties fell to the share of the Virupakshapaya, and accordingly his name was entered in the records relating to suit properties. The said Virupakshapaya was working as a typist at Sri Siddheshwar Textile Limited, Davangere, ever since 1972. On account of his employment, he resided at Davangere with his family. After his marriage with plaintiff number 1, other plaintiffs were born and all of them lived in Davangere, taking undue advantage of the absence of plaintiffs and Virupakshapaya at Navalgunda. The defendant number 1, in collusion with revenue officers, got a fabricated right relinquishment deed created on 6/8/2008, and on its basis the name of the defendant number 1 was entered in the records relating to the suit properties. The said right relinquishment deed was not registered. On 25/3/2010, the said Virupakshapaya died.